Let's look at the settings of the basic data. Take a look at the layer manage first. You can add, modify, and delete the layer's information. Click Add an information. The layer named action. Telephone 173. Address. Shandong province. Click Add. The layer is added. We click this layer, modify the telephone. Enter a new telephone. Click Modify. Information is modified. If we don't need this layer, select it. Click Delete. Information is deleted. Next, we look at Texture Manage. You can add, modify, and delete category. Also can add or delete texture under the category. We add a category named Cabinet. Select Material, right-click, Category Add, enter Cabinet. OK. Select Cabinet, select Texture 8. Choose Textures, Image, Texture 8 Finish. If you don't need white texture, choose it. Click Texture, delete. Texture delete finished. If you want to change a name of this category, select it, right-click, Category Modify, enter a new name, OK. If you delete this category, select it, right-click, Category Delete. Yes, delete successful. Finally, let's look at Material Manager. You can add, modify, and delete material. We add an information on material. Enter name. Color. Thick. Cost. Price. Seller price. Click Add. Finish. If you want to modify a material's thick or the other information, select it. Modify the information. Click Modify. Modified to complete. If you want to delete a material, select it, click delete. That's okay.